Kick the child. Punch the mirror. Throw the glass. Stab the apple. If you don't stab the apple right now, your family will die.
What's wrong, Jimmy Coon? Could it be that you're craving my croissant?
Caution, contents may be hot, but it's frozen.
Get me out! Get me out! Stop! I can't! Let me out! You're gonna break your leg! Get me out! No, you go like this. Get up. I can't breathe. What do you think?
This is my first time ever seeing snow. I'm so excited. I'm the happiest person in the world. I'm putting it in my pocket.
Guys, wait! Guys, wait! Wait! I'm scared! I'm scared! Wait! Wait! Wait!
It is so cool. Tanner, do not stand there.
I just think that God makes it very clear that homosexuality is a sin in the Bible. And, I just think it's sad because, boys and girls need a mom and dad. Oh, how insightful.
Do you like a banana?
Wakanda forever!
Hey, mama, you remember you told me you put me in this world and you can take me out of it? Yeah, well, I'm ready to go.
My boy The Rock posted this picture right on his Instagram. Boom, right there, Jumanji premiere. That's me, right there. That's your boy. But I was filming and my camera was facing the wrong way, so I got a really good video. Look at this video I got.
Hi, my name's Edward. And last week, everyone in our town got an email that Google Maps will be in the area. They strictly advised us not to distract the cameraman. But knowing me, I grabbed my M&M onesie and went searching for the man. And what do you know? He was right there.
Oh my god, that's literally him.
So now, every time I go on Google Maps, I can see me jumping for joy.
Hey, Elena. La da 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 la da 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 la da 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 da.
I think I'm about to steal!
I just realized that my dog walks like a Minecraft dog. Fredo! Fredo, come here, buddy! Look at how sideways he walks.
So I saw this new trend that you can scrape popcorn off your ceiling, so I'm gonna try it because it's like satisfying.
What is that? What?
Bass Pro Shops built a pyramid? What the heck, man? So, I thought it was hella cute that Chonk's been sleeping on all my clothes because I was like, oh, he's starting to warm up to me and my smell, right? No! No. It's a way for them to get their scent on your stuff. Bitch!
Oh shit, girl, you look good. You look good, girl. I. Who are you? I'm doing. Where's Angel? Mom, it's me.
Riddle me this, psychology girl. What does it mean if I have a reoccurring dream every 4 years that I get eaten by Alf the Muppet?
It's better than chewing.
I don't chew anymore.
Yeah, he's clean. Why are you trying to make him Nick Queen again, you fuck?
This is awkward.
What's up? What's awkward?
Why would I